Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to talk about a word you hear all the time, the cloud. So, what in the world is it, really? Let's jump right in and find out. Okay, first, let me ask you a question. When you're playing your favorite game online, or watching a funny cartoon, or saving your homework, where does all that stuff actually go? Where does it live? You guessed it, it all lives in the cloud. And nope, we're not talking about those fluffy white things you see floating in the sky. This cloud is way, way cooler. So what is it? Put simply, the cloud is just a giant, super powerful computer that anyone can use over the internet. The best way to think about it is like a huge, magical kitchen. It has everything you could ever need, and you can just borrow it anytime you want to cook something up. So, you might be wondering, why would I use this big, magical kitchen instead of my own? Well, it turns out this kitchen is awesome for some really big reasons. For starters, you save a lot of money. You don't have to buy your own super expensive ovens and mixers. They're already there. Second, you can go super duper fast. If you suddenly need 10 ovens instead of one, bam, you've got them instantly. And third, it's way less work for you. Someone else is there to clean up the kitchen and make sure everything works perfectly. All right, to really get this, let's stick with our kitchen idea, but let's talk about something we all love. Pizza. You see, the cloud gives you 3 different ways to get your pizza. Option number 1 is make it yourself. In the tech world, this is called IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service. This is where the cloud gives you the whole kitchen, the oven, the flour, the cheese, the tomatoes, everything you need. But it's up to you to make the dough and build the pizza from scratch. You're in total control. Now for option 2, bake it yourself. This is called PaaS, or Platform as a Service. With this one, the kitchen gives you a little head start. They hand you a pre-made pizza crust with the sauce already on it, and all the toppings are ready to go. All you have to do is put your favorite toppings on and pop it in the oven. It's way faster. And finally, we have the easiest one of all, pizza delivered. This is called SaaS, or Software as a Service. You don't do any work at all. You just say, I want a pizza, and a delicious, hot pizza shows up right at your door, ready to eat. This is just like using an app like Gmail or playing an online game. It just works. So let's put it all together real quick. As you can see here, IaaS gives you the whole kitchen, PaaS gives you a pizza kit, and SaaS just brings you a finished pizza. It's all about deciding how much of the work you want to do yourself. Okay, we've got our pizza, we know how we're gonna make it, but where is this kitchen? Is it a place anyone can go, or is it just for you? Well, there are 2 main kinds. A public cloud is like a giant food court at the mall. Anybody can walk in and use it. It's super easy and doesn't cost a lot to get started. But a private cloud, that's like your very own kitchen at home. It's just for you, and only you have the key, so it's extra safe and secure. So, who runs these amazing cloud kitchens? Well, there are a few world-famous master chefs out there that run the biggest and best kitchens around. You've got Chef AWS from Amazon. Then there's Chef Azure from Microsoft. And of course, Chef GCP from Google. I bet you've heard of those companies before, right? They are the absolute superstars of the cloud. And just look at how popular their kitchens are. Chef AWS from Amazon is the biggest of them all, serving almost a third of the entire world. Chef Azure from Microsoft is right behind. Together, these 3 run a huge part of the internet we use every single day. So why does all this matter to you? Because the truth is, the cloud isn't some faraway thing. It is absolutely everywhere. Seriously, think about it. That show you love to stream? It's being sent to you from the cloud. The game you play with your friends all over the world? It's running in the cloud's magic kitchen. It's the secret power behind almost everything you do online. So, now that you know the secret of the cloud, I have one last question for you. If you could step into that magical kitchen with all those amazing tools, what incredible thing would you build? A new game? A helpful app? The possibilities are totally endless.